Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is from Indonesia, or Indonesian dish, or what Indonesians like to make. It's sweet and sour chicken, or Ayam Asam Manis. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is close to 2 kilograms. It was 1.8 kilogram of chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, with 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1 cup of strong baker's flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're gonna add in a generous pinch of ground white pepper, as well crack 2 to 3 eggs, and then we're gonna mix them, and not forgetting 1/2 cup of milk, or as needed. I actually prefer to do this with hand so that I know everything coated nicely. And then you're gonna fry this chicken. My chicken is half frozen, so I'm gonna wait for a bit. But you want to fry it until crispy and cook through. Like so. Now set to side while we prepare for our sauce. You're gonna need garlic, onion, and ginger. We're also gonna skin 3 large carrots with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 baby carrots. You just want to peel and slice them thinly. Now saute the garlic, onion, and ginger with 2 tablespoons of peanut sauce until softened and fragrant. And add in sliced carrots. And cook until softened. Add 1/4 cup of water to help to soften the carrots. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes on high heat, medium-high. As carrots soften, add in ketchup, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and a little bit of chicken bouillon powder to taste. So you want to achieve sweet and sour flavor. And you want to add more water and also cornstarch solution. So this is about 1 cup water with 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. So you want to thicken this, and you want to add enough water for the amount of chicken that you have. So the water is, if you would like more sauce, you add more. If you like less in sauce, you add less, obviously. And you want to thicken it again with the cornstarch solution. If you want it thicker, add in more than 1 tablespoon. If you like it in thinner side, just 1 teaspoon in 1 cup is enough. And sauce is ready. Just add in your chicken and stir to combine, and then it's ready to be served. Steam.